It's Monday, December the 10th, and here is Redspan Aviation News number 19. In this edition, NASA's Voyager 2 enters interstellar space. The Airbus Pilot Cadet training program begins in March 2019. FLYMOTION publicly announces drone program collaboration with the NYPD. And the Jeremy Corbell film about Bob Lazar is released. Hello, my name is Ben Lovegrove, and here is this week's roundup of aviation news from high altitude to below 400 feet. Each week I bring you selected stories about aerial activity, from space exploration to general aviation, from drones to UFOs. Head over to redspan.com to find out how I can make marketing videos for your aviation business. Before I continue, an explanation. This is number 19 because the first 18 weekly video bulletins were created prior to 2018. For various reasons they were shelved during 2018, but now they have resumed. So chocks away then. NASA's Voyager 2, launched in 1977, has left our solar system and entered interstellar space. On its long voyage during the past 4 decades, it has flown past Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. It has left our Sun's plasma bubble and is now subjected to the influence of other stars in our galaxy. Voyager 2 revealed to us the volcanic activity on Io, one of Jupiter's 4 moons, and the possibility of an ocean on Europa, Jupiter's smallest moon. Voyager 2 continues on its journey, sending signals back to the NASA scientists via the Deep Space Network. It is a sobering thought that your smartphone contains processing power many thousands of times more powerful than the 1970s computer technology in Voyager 2. Meanwhile, back on planet Earth, if you aspire to become an airline pilot, then you might be interested in this next item. Airbus, in cooperation with France's ENAC Civil Aviation University, will be launching its ab initio Pilot Cadet training program early in 2019. It will begin in Mexico City, and they plan to roll it out to other countries later in the year. The Airbus Pilot Cadet training program will be open to high school graduates aged 18 or over. Obviously there will be a selection process, but successful candidates will be able to look forward to 750 hours of ground school, plus 200 hours of flight training with the goal of making them operationally ready pilots. Students will be trained on Cessna 152s and 172s, Diamond DA-40s, and on DA-42s for their multi-engine rating. For more information, visit services.airbus.com. In another example of the adoption of drone technology, FLYMOTION, a veteran-owned end-to-end technology integration and drone solution provider, announced its collaboration with the largest police department in the USA, the NYPD, earlier this month. Their press release stated, "Marking a truly historic moment in UAS history, NYPD has officially and publicly announced the addition of crime-fighting drones to their ranks. Led by NYPD's Technical Assistance Response Unit, 14 drones are now part of NYPD's arsenal to assist with daily and special operations." For more information about FLYMOTION, please visit flymotion.com. Next, Jeremy Corbell's film Bob Lazar, Area 51 and Flying Saucers was premiered earlier this month and is now available on iTunes, Amazon and Vimeo. The film is flying high and is among the new and noteworthy on iTunes. The reviews are pouring in and fans are expressing their delight with this film that brings the story up to date. If you've never heard of Bob Lazar and the reverse engineering of alien technology, then be sure to watch this film and bring yourself up to date. You'll find a link to the film on iTunes in the description field below. And check my channel, as I made a short video expressing my thoughts on this film. That's all for this edition of Redspan Aviation News. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of the next edition. Finally, please like, share and comment on this video so that I know what I'm doing right and will continue to make videos that people want to watch.